Backing a massaged LS3 with outstanding aesthetics and upgraded mechanicals, this super clean 1970 Camaro split bumper will ensure you enjoy miles of open road and plenty of high-octane weekends. The beneficiary of a detailed ground-up build, this authentic 1970 Rally Sport was entirely disassembled and carefully stripped of its original pigment. Once prep was complete, a straight fuselage was tweaked to better than factory alignment and blanketed in Corvette LeMans Blue. That pigment was successfully detailed with Iceberg Silver Rally Stripes that are traced in torch red outlines. And the payoff takes form as one of the coolest Chevrolet muscle cars available. Inside, you'll find a lightly customized interior that's stylish and very livable. There's a quartet of bucket seats that feature upgraded covers and extended tracks for the car's driver. A factory air dash hangs Dakota Digital gauges over hardware for modern air conditioning and modern audio. A blue-tinged console centers a simple horseshoe shifter in front of integrated power window switches. And the driver spins a flat-bottom steering wheel around a tilting column with push-button ignition. This sweet split bumper's proven LS3 utilizes a hearty 6.2 liters of displacement to create a respectable 480 horsepower straight out of the crate. And that power is put to the ground through a proven 4L60E 4-speed and a tough 9-inch pumpkin. One of Detroit's best combinations of performance and style, early second-generation Camaros present an excellent opportunity for savvy enthusiasts. And because of their cool aesthetics, split bumper cars are some of the most desirable second generations on the market. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.